chaps, and welcome back to Tino Detailing. Today we have this beautiful Porsche 911 Carrera S. So chaps, this car, it lives underground, and because of that it collects a lot of dust. So as you can see, in areas such as the window here, these are the wipers that pushed all of the dust to the side of the building, as you can see. Around the top section as well, back window. And let's not forget the lower portion of the car, which is quite dirty due to how close it is to the ground. The dirtiest part of the car, of course, are the wheels. This is because high-powered cars, they release a lot of brake dust. So as we move on to the interior, straight away we can see the dashboard is completely full of dust. The screen, center console has a lot of fingerprint marks. The carpets, they're quite dirty as well. So that's the job we have in hand. So let's get started on the wheels. I first begin by pressure washing the wheels. Next, I spray tire and wheel cleaner on before covering them in foam. I use my mitts and brushes to give these wheels that deep clean. The little sounds for the summer, 20th. Time to pressure wash them and have the Porsche reversed backwards. Now that we have got a new angle on the wheels, the time has come for the bright yellow snow foam. Super satisfying stuff. Be sure to subscribe for more relaxing content. Let's remove the Tino yellow snow foam together with the dust it has encapsulated. Head on over to tinocarcare.com for all of the products you see me using. I now hand wash the car with my mitts. Let me know in the comments below whether you like the color of this car. Let's pressure wash the shampoo off of this Porsche. What a beautiful car. Stay tuned to the end as we'll be deep cleaning the interior too. And of course, once the car is clean, we apply our popular Tino ceramic snow foam. This product is used in order to create a hydrophobic barrier which prevents the water from fully sticking onto the car. Considering that dirt can consist of around 70% water, you quickly realize that this product will help keep your car cleaner for longer and protected against the elements. The Tino drying towel is back in stock. Make sure you get your hands on one before it's gone again. Look at how effortlessly the car is dried. I use this air blower to flush out the remaining water from in between the gaps which tend to leak the water later if not removed now. Let's now clean the glass with the glass cleaner and the glass cloth. I like to get the windows finished first for many reasons. Firstly, any remaining water spots or dirt is still moist and soft, thus easier to remove before it dries and hardens. Also, any overspray will be wiped off in the later stages of the wash. I now clean up the interior as I use a detailing brush to remove any dust from the upper surfaces of the car and allow my vacuum to take care of the rest. These Porsche carpets are extremely good quality as they release the dirt very easily when being vacuumed. With some other kinds of carpets, they really hold on to the dirt and it takes a lot more effort to do a good job on them. This video has been sponsored by Turbo Watches. This is a great gift idea for anybody into cars. Or just buy one for yourself as there's a limited time discount of 10% if you use the discount code TINO at the checkout. So head on over to turbowatches.shop and pick up a beautiful watch. Now chaps, I deep clean the carpets by first foaming them up and then using a drill brush. I then extract the carpets and leave them to dry while I deep clean the interior fabrics. Become a true chap and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Studies show that a steering wheel can harbor 9 times more bacteria than a public toilet. This is why it is essential to clean it. As I personally use the Tino interior detailer, scrub pad and the interior cloth to deep clean the steering wheel along with all the other hard surfaces in the interior. Be sure to give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. I now clean up the door shuts. The Tino exterior detailer is used to give that insane shine and further boost the ceramic protection. To finish this wash, I protect, nourish and shine the tyres. Okay guys, that concludes this wash. Let's have a look at the amazing results. Check out that great shine and finish on this Porsche. The interior is looking brand new too. Thanks for watching ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.